The service required or maintenance message on your 2022-2023 Kia Carnival indicates it's time for an oil change. This video shows you how to reset the oil life indicator after you've had the oil changed. It's a predictive tool based on mileage, driving habits, and oil quality, and resetting it helps your car accurately track its maintenance schedule. Always change your oil, preferably with Kia recommended synthetic oil, before resetting to avoid potential engine damage or voiding your warranty. Here's how to reset the oil life on your Kia Carnival. First, insert your key and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, locate the OK button on your steering wheel. Press and hold the OK button for 3 to 5 seconds until the service mode menu appears on the instrument cluster display. Use the directional buttons or touchscreen to navigate to service interval or maintenance. Then select Reset or Oil Change Reset and confirm your choice. The service message should clear and the oil life indicator will reset to 100%. For touchscreen models, go to Settings, then Vehicle, then Service Interval. If the message persists after reset, there may be a deeper issue requiring a dealership diagnostic.